Hey, what is up you guys? It's your boy Jason and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to achieve this fierce look. And this entire look is achieved by one lipstick shade called Possessed by the newest lip collection of MyGlamm. So if you wanna know how to achieve this look, keep on watching. I'm already done with my base and my brows, so I'm gonna jump straight into my eyes and I'm gonna use BUTTERLICIOUS Shea Butter Cream Matte Lipstick range by MyGlamm, and I'm gonna use the shade Possessed as my eyeshadow. Next, I'm gonna use CHISEL Game Face palette and I'm gonna use the shade Brown to just smoke out this lipstick. Next, I'm going to use this THREESOME mascara by MyGlamm on my top and bottom lashes. To highlight my face, I'm going to use Game Face, the CHISEL palette by MyGlamm, and I'm going to use the highlight shade and highlight all the highest points of my face. And now, I'm going to finish off this look using the same Possessed shades of BUTTERLICIOUS. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Also subscribe to our channel, hit the bell icon to keep yourself updated for more such videos.